really long time to like get the hang of writing lyrics. But like you can practice by writing poetry first. There's a lot of ways you can practice writing lyrics. Give yourself some grace when you're first starting because it's really hard. Once you have your lyrics, you're gonna need a melody. I think that writing melody can be like really difficult sometimes, and sometimes it just like clicks. It's kind of random, like how it happens. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. I think you can start by like humming the lyrics that you've made. You can just like play the chords and see what comes to mind. You can start by like playing individual notes in your chord because it will like align with it. But it's really hard to find a melody that you can remember. The melody of a song is like how the song looks, and then the lyrics are like its personality. For a successful song, you need a good melody. If you think about all the top songs right now, I think you'd be able to like recall the melody of all of them. But a lot of lyrics and songs will like draw you in, and that'll be like what gets you hooked. Just like someone's personality could be like what attracts you to them. So it's important to have both a good melody and good lyrics, but it's important to let yourself experiment a lot because it takes a while to come up, especially with a good melody, but like also with good lyrics. And good is subjective, and you should go with what feels right to you. I think it's worth recording everything, but if you can't remember your melody by the time you get to like a recording device, then you should probably write a new one. It is possible to tweak melodies into something that you could remember, so I think it's important to remember to record everything. I think it's important to be able to remember your melody like an hour later, like if you're just doing something else, or after at least a few like listens that you should be able to remember it. But it's even better if you're doing something else and then the melody comes to you of the song you wrote, like on your own. That means it'll get stuck in people's heads. So once you have your melody and your lyrics, you should record it in voice memos first. Just like get the ideas down. And then you should, record it in BandLab or like another DAW. You can use like the Apple earbuds, the wired ones. They're really good. Like the quality is actually surprisingly good, especially for a first draft. And then if you're interested in releasing your song, you have multiple options. You can go to producer, or you could record it on your own. It can be kind of expensive to invest in the equipment to record on your own, but it guarantees that you have equipment for future projects and you can record when you want to. And also going to producer can also be really expensive. I can do a part 2 if anyone wants to know like how to release music on like Spotify, like distribute it. But thank you for watching.